Hi guys, we're going to be doing another cool video today. That's right. And it's going to be called Magic at Work. That's right guys, stay tuned to that Magic at Work. Yes. Hi everybody, today we're going to do Magic at Work. I promised you this earlier, and like I said, it's a soap resist, so as you know, we start out with our famous ingredients, joy. Everybody needs a little joy in their life, so put a little joy in your life, use this. I'm going to set it aside over here. And of course we're going to use magical purple because that's magical, right? That's the magic part of the painting. We're going to edge it up, shine it with a little bit of black, simple painting. We're going to add a little bit of a color shift paint to it. This is very expensive stuff, but it color changes, it's kind of neat. And then we're going to add a little glitter to it, give that a glitter shimmer kind of look, you know what I mean? Okay, so here we go. So what I'm going to do is just design like I'm going to go like a, look at this guys, I'm going to do kind of spirals. Look at that, isn't that cool? Just random spirals, just kind of a cool design. It's just random. I'm just doing this by thinking about it. I'm not, there's no rhyme or reason for what I'm doing. I'm just, look at that. I just want some funky design. It's taking up the space of the canvas, man. Look at that. It's just razzle dazzle, man. Look at that. Okay. Just lots of cool design. It's a lot of movement, so you just kind of, you just let yourself free, man. Big old wave there, look at that. It's just a cool, magical feeling. Kind of reminds me of, if you look at it like a Starry Nights kind of thing. But not really, it's just, I keep catching that needle in there, kind of annoying me, but that's okay. Look at that. I don't know about you, but I see a bunch of weird sixes. Okay, let's just have a blast. Let's get those empty spaces though. No spaces. We don't care about drizzles. We don't care about any of that. Well, we got some cool, funky movements. This canvas is very thick, by the way. That's why it's catching like that, because it's really heavy duty. I only use the best of the best, guys. Don't use cheap canvases. They warp too easy. Only buy the best. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a mess. That kind of rhymed. So that's what you're kind of doing, just a bunch of spirals. Lots of little cinnamon roll looking little designs. There we go. Isn't that cool? Then we'll look for some negative spaces like right here. Maybe another little cinnamon roll right there. Another one right in this little area right there. One in this little space right there. Yeah, there we go. Looks pretty full. Isn't that cool? Okay, one little one right here, just to kind of fill the gap here. And maybe one in the corner. There we go. Looks pretty decent, man. I like it. It's already looking magical. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna start out some purples. Yeah, because that purple's mystical, magical, man. And you'll start to see some of the designs just pop right out. You guys know I love soap resists. I'm very famous for doing these soap resists. I've sold thousands of them, thousands, guys, literally. So I got soap resists paintings all over the world. Africa, China, Germany, and Spain. Just bought my last piece. Somebody from Spain, I'm not going to mention who, but they're a nice friend of mine. And they've been supporting me for a long time on my YouTube channel. I'm not going to mention who they are. They told me to keep that kind of a hush. They're a good art collector, that's all I care about. Keep me happy. Anyways, check it out guys, lots of razzle dazzle going on here. And I did it outside today because this is usually what I do inside the garage and inside my studio area, and it just about gags you. I should still be wearing a mask because you don't get away from this. No matter what, you don't get away from this purple plumage of spray paint. Anyways, nice and even tones now. And you can fill in all these little areas by shaking the can as you're spraying. Okay, don't get too close, cameraman. You'll fuzz your lens. Let the spray paint smoke clear first, and then you can get a close-up. A little richer in this corner. I love this purple. It's a really nice purple. It's hard to find anymore because now they're making these really crappy cans with these fat heads on them. They don't spray with the damn. This is old school, guys. This is good stuff. So I hope you enjoy this today. You can still buy this older vintage type cans of Acrylic on eBay if you're looking around for some. But they're going to cost you about $13 a can. So hopefully you make enough art money to buy you some paint. That's the catch-22 there. That's the reality of it. Make sure you make enough coin to support your spray paint habit. Okay, I'm kind of happy with that. We're gonna add a little bit of this purple here. It's more of a eggplant. It's a lot lighter, but it's gonna give it a misty tone of purple. More of a reddish, rhubarbish kind of feel, but it'll give it a nice color. It's more in the red zone than a blue zone. And that'll help out with that color changer color that I'm gonna add next. Okay, see, that's nice and purple, guys. Woo! Plumage. Okay, so now we're gonna use a nice color changer on it, and this is a nice purple fog. It's called Purple Fog. It's a color changer. It's made by Tester's Craft. Pretty cool piece, pretty cool little can. Small, so we'll start from that end. It's kind of dusted. And it's gonna add some metallic-y purple sheen to that look. Like a weird kind of color thing when the light changes on it. And you're gonna see it more when it dries. Hard to see it on video, but when you have this piece hanging in your house, I'm telling you, it's wild, and the sun hits on it just right. It's gonna freak you out, man. Yeah, it's got that shimmer. See, it's got like this hazy, foggy purple haze. Getting inside your brain already, isn't it? Okay, there you go. You don't want too much of that. It'll look like a plum. You know that plume on a plum? You don't want that. You don't want to look too weird. Okay, now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna finish it off with a glitter shimmer, guys. Glitter shimmer, okay? That's some cool stuff by Acrylic again. And it's gonna give it that magic. That's what we're after, man, that magic. See, that's where I'm putting the magic into the piece. Yeah, magic at work, guys. This is the magic at work right here. Right here, almost ready to do it. Look at that, see, just a little bit goes a long way with this. You can see the glitter just bouncing around in there, the color shift. Okay, now I'm gonna do what's called a shadowing. I have two cans of black here, they're exactly the same. We're gonna use the new can. New can, because I like to waste stuff. So I like to start out with new stuff all the time, because I'm just that way. There we go. I'm just gonna shadow these corners. That's all I'm doing. You gotta do that, because it keeps your composition looking inward. See what I'm saying? Get those corners. Nice and easy though. You don't want it too dark for where it's killing everything. But nice and pulling you into the center. Look at that. See how I'm shadowing the edges? That has a nice value change. Just like that. See, look at that. See that? It's more black in the corners. So darken those corners by just shading. And that gives it a nice, soft edge. Nice and easy dusting there. Look at that. It's done, guys. It's a beautiful piece. Now, time to get that soap and wash it off, man, because this is where it's going to reveal its underneath. So wet water. Let's go with it. Look at that, guys. Woo! Look at that. Magic. Yeah, I love this. I love doing this. It's just so great. Oh my God, look at that, guys. And rinse all that dirty stuff off. I'll stand it up, let it run. There we go, look at that. It's revealing all that texture. Look at that, guys. It's going to the car wash. It's going through a car wash. Now, only heavy-duty canvas will handle this. If you use some cheap Hobby Lobby canvas, it will warp. Look at the design on that, guys. Isn't that wild? That's right, it's so cool. Anyways, now that I got that going, we're gonna get that excess off. Just kind of wipe it down. Wipe it down, wipe it down, wipe it down. Get all that excess off. See that haze that's building up? I'm gonna get it all off. Another dry rag. Oh my gosh, it came out fantastic. And there you guys have it, man. Check it out, guys. Or this way. Peace out, guys. Put some magic in your life. Foltz Art. Thanks.